In class 12, we have 5 units and 16 chapters. Class 12, Unit 6, Reproduction. Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. Chapter 2, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. Chapter 3, Human Reproduction. Chapter 4, Reproductive Health. In this unit, we expect 20 marks, that is 5 questions from this unit. So please concentrate in these lessons also. Okay. Unit 7, Genetics and Evolution. Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Chapter 7, Evolution. In this unit, we expect 7 to 9 questions from these 3 chapters. Unit 8, Biology in Human Welfare. Chapter 8, Human Health and Disease. Chapter 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare. There are 3 chapters in this unit. We expect 3 to 5 questions from this unit. Unit 9, Biotechnology. Chapter 11, Biotechnology Principles and Processes. Chapter 12, Biotechnology and its Appliances. In this unit, expecting 2 to 3 questions from this unit, Biotechnology. Unit 10, Ecology. There are 4 chapters in this unit. Chapter 13, Organisms and Population. Chapter 14, Ecosystem. Chapter 15, Biodiversity and Conservation. Chapter 16, Environmental Issues. In this unit, Ecology, we expect 3 to 5 questions from this unit. So, prepare well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.